Good morning, class. Are you fine this morning? I'm very good, thank you. And I hope you stay home safely. Don't try to go anywhere, okay? Because now the virus spread to many people now. Over 30 people were attacked by coronavirus. So I hope that you stay home safely and just study online. And you can learn more with other YouTube channel. Alright, so today is Tuesday, right? So on Tuesday, the first session you have Listening Express 3 and the second session you have Hangout 6. So now please focus on the first session, Listening Express 3 with me, and I hope you have the textbook near you, right? Alright, so now you can open the book all together on page 25. Okay, on page 25. Are you at the same page, everyone? Very good. Okay, so now you can look at the book all together on page 25. What do you see? Checkpoint. Okay, checkpoint is like the last page of all the unit, right? So when you see checkpoint, means you are nearly at the end of the lesson or of the unit. Okay, so now you can look at page 25, checkpoint. There are 3 activities here, A, B, and C. Now focus on part A. A. Listen, write the letter that best describes each picture. Okay, so you can look at the picture all together before you listen and write the letter that describes the best picture. I would like you to understand all the picture first. So you can look at the picture and try to understand it. And after that, you will listen to the track and then choose the correct letter that best describes the picture. Do you understand all the picture, everyone? Okay, very good. Okay, so now I would like you to listen to the track carefully and then write the letter. Now, listen.
Checkpoint A. Listen. Write the letter that best describes each picture.
A. The trash can is quite full. It's time for someone to take out the garbage. B. No one is using the sink, but the water is on. It should be turned off. C. The decoration is made from old computer parts. It's an interesting way to recycle. D. My mom reuses a cloth bag whenever she goes shopping. It saves paper and plastic.
Finish? Very good. Okay, so now let's take your answer with me. Okay, so letter A, what number that letter A describe? What picture? Number 3, right? Okay, so letter A, number 3. How about letter B? What picture that the letter B describe? Number 1, right? Okay, number 1. How about letter C? It must be number 4. Okay, so the last one, that goes without saying, right? It must be number 2. Letter D. Okay, so now we finish part A. Let's continue to part B. B. Listen, choose the unnatural or incorrect dialogue. So we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to listen to the dialogue carefully, then choose the incorrect one or the unnatural one. Okay, so now listen.
Checkpoint B. Listen. Choose the unnatural or incorrect dialogue. Number 1.
We must do more to reduce pollution.
I agree. We can do that by recycling and saving energy.
Number 2.
I don't see a trash can around here.
I need to get home before dinner. Number 3.
Where should I put this newspaper?
You should put it in the recycling box. Number 4.
Are you still watching the television?
No, I'm not. I'll turn it off now.
Finish? Very good. Okay, so where is the unnatural one, everyone? Where is it? The unnatural is number 2, right? Okay, number 2 is unnatural, or it is incorrect. Okay, so now we finish part A, part B. Now let's continue to part C. C. Listen, choose the best answer for each question. Okay, so here we have question and we also have answer. You have some time to read the question and answer. Okay, now read with me. 1. What does the speaker love to do at the park? A. Walk around by herself. B. Meet her friends and play. C. Dance in the sandbox. D. Scold people. You know, scold like blame. Okay, how about letter number 2? Number 2, what did the speaker do to the boy who littered? A. She played with him on the slide. B. She didn't do anything to the boy. C. She scolded him for littering. D. She told him to leave the park. Okay, so after reading the questions and answer, I hope you can guess something. But to choose the correct answer or the best answer, you have to listen to the track carefully and then choose the best answer. Now, listen.
Checkpoint C. Listen. Choose the best answer for each question.
There's a place named Grant Park in my neighborhood. I love going there to meet my friends and play. These days, I've noticed that some people have started littering in the park. Seeing that makes me so angry. We all use the park and should work together to keep it clean. Once I saw a little boy litter in the park. I went up to him and scolded him. I told him about the negative effects of littering. He cleaned up his garbage, and I hope he won't litter again.
Finish? Very good. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me. Okay, number 1, what does the speaker love to do at the park? The correct answer, letter B, right? Meet her friends and play. Okay, how about number 2? What did the speaker do to the boy who littered? Letter C, right? She scolded him for littering. Okay, so now we can finish our first session by finishing part A, part B, and part C in the checkpoint. And I think you can improve more in your listening activity and try to practice more and more to improve your listening activity. Okay, this is the end of our first session and see you in the second session.